Guys, big news coming in. Canada has finally signed the youth mobility agreement with Italy, which is on December 11th, which means that if you are a citizen of either Italy or Canada, you can get an open work permit. How to get that are the details that we are discussing in this video. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice here inside Canada. My office is in Ontario, and if you want to get in touch with us, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Please feel free to schedule an appointment with us and we will be more than happy to help you out. Guys, just before we start this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever we release a new video on any Canadian immigration related updates or a program update, you are the first one who receives a notification and be updated about Canadian immigration or any program related updates. Guys, let's just quickly get on with this video, and the big news that's coming in on December 11th is that Canada has finally signed the youth mobility program with Italy. So basically the youth mobility program has a couple of sub programs or sub categories under which the youth, that is the people between 18 and 35 years, can get a work permit. Okay, now how to get that is the topic that we're discussing. There are three programs under this particular agreement, which are the working holiday, the international co-op, or the young professionals program. All of these form a part of the major International Experience Canada program. Okay, now the International Experience Canada, IEC as it's popular, and with respect to the working holiday, how does that work is that people between the age of 18 years and 35 years are the youth whom who are given an opportunity to come to Canada or come to Italy, explore the local environment, explore the local employment industry. You can come here on a holiday and work. So it's a working holiday program which allows you to get an open work permit for 12 months, up to 12 months, and you can extend it once for another 12 months. So overall, the maximum duration can be 24 months. And in the the international co-op or the youth professional, they will be discussed in a separate video, but there are certain employer specific programs which you can take benefit of, right? But then the open work permit definitely helps you under the working holiday, which totally suggests that if you are a citizen of either Canada or Italy, you can make use of this program. Canada, just to let you know guys, Canada also has such agreements with other couple of countries like Australia and others as well, like France also. So if you are a citizen of any of these countries, you have the passport, you are a citizen and between a certain age. So some countries have 18 to 35 30 also. Please be sure under which age and what are the other requirements. But if you are eligible, you can come to Canada, explore the employment scenario, get a job while you are here on a holiday. Okay, so you can explore it, enjoy your stay, and then probably move ahead on your destination of immigration ahead. Guys, I hope the video gives you a lot of information and a new ray of hope if you have been planning or thinking of a way to come to Canada. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and if you want to get in touch with us regarding this particular application, please feel free to schedule an appointment with us. My number is on the screen and in the description box. We will be more than happy to help you. I hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.